Hello and welcome to the Files Replicator tool tutorial. First thing you want to do is hit the download button. In my case, I just downloaded the file, so I'm not going to download it again. You might get this message. It's because it's not a common program and it's a new one, so it's saying it's dangerous, but don't worry, it's not. Simply click Keep and then on the program. If you want to see the code, you can view it on GitHub, which shows all the code. You might get this message from your antivirus. Click on More Info and Run Anyway. And again, this is because it's a new program and it's not recognized. Then hit Yes to run the installer. Click on Install. The setup will work. Once that is done, you can close it. To get the file or the program, you go to Desktop, One-Click Solutions folder inside the Files Replicator folder. And you'll be given these files. I've provided sample files, which we will be using for this tutorial. There is a document, a Word document, which contains 4 items, but again, this is for sample purposes. And there's a PDF, which also is something I got from the internet. So these are 2 files I'll be using for replicating. The first thing you want to do is put in the name of people. In this case, we're simulating an HR person. So we have 2 new employees. Let's add a 3rd employee. Let's call the person Ace. So I'm going to save this. So we're replicating that file for 3 employees. Then we're going to run the program, file replicator.exe. May take up to a minute depending on the computer you have to run the program. And there you go. Now it's asking you to choose your files. In this case, I'm using the sample files. I'm going to select more than one because I want to replicate 2 files. You're allowed to do that. You may also notice that one is a Word document, one is a PDF, and that's also allowed in this case. So you pick those files. You might, if it's your first time running the program, you will be taken to the PayPal page to donate. I do hope you consider donating. And that is done. So then you just go to your results page. You sort it by date modified and pick the latest one. So you can see you've got 3 folders, each one by the name and the file, and this will help you organize your documents in one way because it's difficult to keep track of things if they're not labeled correctly. I hope that helps you, and thank you very much. See you next time.